Hello, good morning everyone. Last time we made flower pot drawing, right? Today we will do memory drawing, and in that memory drawing you have to stick something and you have to color also. Okay, what you will stick? You will stick cotton. So you need cotton for today's drawing and colors, that is important, and pencil and eraser for drawing. Okay, so let's start today's drawing. Open your book horizontally like this, and right here children playing in ice. What? Children playing in ice. Okay, now start today's drawing. Two figures we will draw. They are playing with each other with ice balls. Okay, see now here you have to draw one figure. Lightly first I am showing, then I will do detail work, and one more figure I will draw here, just marking, not doing full figure. Here one and here one. Okay, then let's start first figure. First draw one oval here and then give shape to that figure. Wearing warm clothes because they are in ice. Draw lightly, huh? Every time you have to draw lightly first. If you think okay this one is, then only do dark. Ice ball is there in hand. In this hand also ice ball. Long sweater. And full pant. Shoes. Now I will draw eyes. Now this one figure, one half circle I drawn. Winter cap. एकदम मस्त खेल रहे दोनों आइस में, ठंडा ठंडा. See, he is also holding, what he is holding? Ice ball. He is throwing. Shoes. Eyes. Finish figure drawing. Now background, mountains, ice mountain. Huh? Just draw lines because everywhere ice. Now you will understood that why we are using cotton. Yes, correct. For this showing to this ice, we will use cotton. We will stick that cotton here fully. That means coloring part is very little. Only these two figures only we have to color, and here sky. बस इतना ही आज का कलरिंग का. Okay, then let's start today's coloring. Okay, then first we will color and then we will stick cotton. Then for skin, starting from skin. For skin what? Only face skin, because they are wearing hang low, so no need to color there also. That means we have to color but not skin color, right? So color skin color to face. Okay, and for their sweaters you can use your own combination or you can copy mine, no problem. Finish skin color. For his sweater use blue, and here you have to use blue. Okay, and for his cap use orange, and for his pant use yellow. Okay, for here we will use pink, okay, and here we will use violet. Okay, and for shoes black only, but that is in the last. So start coloring. First blue, neatly color. Finish my boys coloring. Now this one, don't color here. Violet color we will use there. Using violet to this fur. For hang lows, you will use brown. Both hang lows brown only. So simple coloring. Now what? Now we will stick cotton. But before that, what you have to do? Take brown color and just do outline, but not thick. Like this only you have to do. To this mountain and where you want to stick cotton, that part. See, here it is narrow and here broad. In that way only you have to stick cotton. From mountain we will start. So put Fevicol, little Fevicol, just spread it. Only in this part we will stick first. Now take cotton. Any type of cotton you can take. This type layers this cotton having, so you have to use that. In that way only, then only it will easy to use. See, very easy to stick, but do it properly and don't put Fevicol too much. ऐसे राउंड करके ऐसे मत लगाओ, धीरे धीरे आराम से. देखो मैंने कैसे उसको पहले ऐसे स्प्रेड करके लो और बाद में ही लगाओ. जितने पार्ट में जितना चाहिए उतना ही लगाओ. ये पूरा इतना निकाला है इसलिए उतना पूरा लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ऐसे. Now I will show you here how you have to stick. Now you understood how to stick mountain cotton, right? Now we will stick here. Same thing only. Again put some Fevicol and then spread that. Now take one layer of cotton. See. And stick. थोड़ा थोड़ा बीच में वो आउटलाइन दिखने दो. Now here, same thing only how you are sticking mountain. In that way only you have to stick here also. देखो मैंने कैसे लगाया. इसको एडजस्ट करना है. ओके, ऐसे पूरा लगाना है हम. Finish mountain. Now I will stick in remaining part. Slowly do. देखो मैंने ऐसे निकाल के ही रखा है, तो आपको ऐसे उनको छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में अच्छे से लगाने को आएगा. अगर बहुत सारा कॉटन एक ही जगह पे लगाया तो वो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. Finish or not? Doing now? Understood now what you have to do? How you have to do? Okay. If you're not getting now, then see it again. how I am doing, what I am saying. Okay, then only start. But one layer of cotton and sticking. Simple. Extra cotton remove. Everywhere I covered cotton, right? Now make 4 balls like this and stick in their hands. Now sky, lightly you have to do and vertically. Shoes coloring black. Now take pencil and just dark eyes, nose. How it is today's drawing? Simple na? Because you know how to color. And now you get idea how to stick cotton also. That is simple. Only one thing you have to do, don't put too much cotton in one side. Spread that cotton and then stick. Only one layer we want. Okay? Then do neatly. Bye bye. Thank you. Hi everyone, good morning. Today we will draw Joker. I hope last period drawing completed now. You stick cotton neatly. Okay. Now we will start today's drawing. For today's drawing what we need? Drawing book and for coloring, color. Simple. See, open your book vertical. Like this you have to open. And start. Right here, Joker, and leave 4 finger distance. From here you have to start. Draw one circle in the middle only. One circle in the middle. Okay, now here we will draw hairs. Like this we will draw, like cloud. Now extra line we will rub. Here we will draw one Joker's cap. This also rub. Okay. On the cap, lines. Like this. Now neck. Okay. Shoulders. Hand. बॉल वी विल ड्रॉ, तो उसको कैसे भी ट्रेस डालो। Legs, shoes, okay, one shoes we will draw different type, because he joker, so he can wear anything. Like one is different, here is different, so we will color also different. पॉइंट कर रहा है, ये देखो मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, है ना। इधर बो निकालेंगे, एक्स्ट्रा लाइन रब करो, नहीं तो कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे कि क्या ये कैसे किया, है कि नहीं। अभी एक बड़ा सा सर्कल, इधर एक और इधर एक छोटा सा, स्माइल, आईज, ओके। अभी इसके ड्रेस पे भी हम सर्कल्स निकालेंगे, इधर भी कितने भी आप सर्कल निकाल सकते हैं। ये जो आगे का पार्ट है इधर नहीं करना है, सिर्फ ये इतने पार्ट में ही आपको सर्कल्स निकालने हैं जोकर के कपड़े पे। ओके, फिनिश ड्राइंग। ये बॉल है, उसको लाइंस कर देते हैं तो समझ में आएगा। और बैकग्राउंड में ऐसे इधर एक लाइन कर दो, ऐसे कर्टन जैसे। देखो मैंने कैसे किया, स्ट्रेट नहीं किया, ऐसे कैसे भी किया। और हम कलरिंग करते समय उसको कर्टन जैसा लुक देंगे, प्रॉपर कर्टन जैसे कलरिंग करेंगे उसको। ओके, ऐसे लाइंस सिर्फ इतना ही कर दो। कलरिंग के टाइम उसको हम कलर कर देंगे बराबर। हो गया ड्राइंग, फिनिश. नाउ वी विल कलर. ओके, स्टार्ट कलरिंग. For face we will color skin color, but for nose no, there we will use yellow, and this circle, small circles, we will use red. Here also red, but for eyes black, that will be used in the last. For hands, these are hang lows, white color hang lows, so don't color anything. This much only we will color first. Start coloring. Take skin color. For skin, this. For nose, yellow, and for small circle, red. Here also red. Start. Eyes will be in the last. Now for hairs, yellow color we will use. Okay, and here red and green for these lines. Face work finish. Head, face. Okay, now for dress, see here, we will use light blue here and dark blue here, and again yellow for the circles. Okay, light blue first. Light blue for shirt. Now for jacket, डार्क ब्लू. थोड़ा सा मैंने उसका ड्राइंग चेंज किया, यहाँ पे थोड़ा इधर मैंने ऊपर लिया है कलरिंग करते समय, इधर भी सेम. Don't leave any white spot while coloring. Okay, now yellow color, circles. Finish. Now for here, green, and for one legs, red. Okay, then you will use green for this one shoes and red for this one. Here red, and here blue again. Like this. Okay, finish. We will color black here and eyes in the last. Now curtain, back side. Curtain we will color pink color. Vertically like this only you have to color. Okay, now what I will do, I will draw red color line like this in the middle. Okay, directly you can draw. Lightly pink color, vertically color. This is curtain, so we will draw red color line directly. No need to draw with the pencil first and then, no, directly you have to draw like this. You will draw. Vertically only I am coloring and lightly. If you want to change the color of anything, his dress and curtain, you can change. Now like this I will draw lines because this is curtain. Just draw. If you want from here, you can draw. Okay. Now like this. ऐसे बीच बीच में कर दो. Exactly ठीक से ऐसे आना चाहिए, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. अभी कर्टन लग रहा है ना. Now what? Now we will color ball. How many colors we use for his dress and cap? Yellow, that means yellow, green, this blue and red we will use for this ball. See, first I am using dark blue. Only one thing you have to do, don't use these two blue near. Okay, so I am using this color here. Finish ball. Now here what color? Here we will color horizontally but lightly. See now, we drawn one curtain line here now. That only have to do dark. उसी तरह उसको ड्रॉ कर दो. और अभी ऐसे हॉरिजॉन्टली लाइट कलर. Now our last color, black. For eyes and here. Finish. Now again every time how we will do dark with the pencil like this, you have to do dark. Finish today's drawing na? Simple. Every time I tell you that do neatly, properly. Yes now? Okay. And complete your drawing book. Okay then. Bye bye. Thank you.